Did you know that you can save resources on LinkedIn, inside LinkedIn? And once you've saved them, do you know how to get them? Let's go straight over to LinkedIn. I'm going to show you how to save on LinkedIn. First of all, what would you save on LinkedIn? So say you're scrolling down your LinkedIn screen and you see an article or something really useful. So for example, here is Content 10X, a company owned by my good friend Amy Woods, and she's sharing a tip about repurposing your long form videos to your social media channels. So I'm thinking, this is great. I want to share this with my audience. Let me save it for later. So I go to the top, to the three little buttons at the top right-hand side, and I click on Save for Later. Brilliant. What do you do now? Well, at the bottom of your screen, you will see item saved, and you can click on View All. So that's an easy way to access it immediately. But the other way to access it is if you go to your profile, so go to the Me drop-down menu on the top bar, go to View Profile, and we're going to scroll down through our profile until we get to Resources. So LinkedIn have changed the screen a little bit. So you will see Resources private to you, and on that you'll see Creator Mode, My Network. And if you click on See All 5, you'll also see Activity, My Items, and Salary Insights. So we are looking for, I mean, LinkedIn, you could make this a little bit easier for people, but we're looking for the saved items. So where would they be? They're under My Items. So we're going to click on My Items. And again, it is not simple or easy, because what I'm seeing immediately is posted jobs. But if you go to the left-hand menu where it says My Items, you've got posted jobs, My Learning, which is a link through to My LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is a premium service on LinkedIn. And if you don't have LinkedIn Premium, you will not have access to it. So if you don't see learning on that little list, don't worry about it. And then you've got saved posts, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to click on the saved posts options, and there we are. There's Amy's post at the very top. So I'll scroll down through those and I'll see other things that I have saved for later, and I can click on articles. So it will show me saved articles. So there's an article by Erica Kessler about growing your following with LinkedIn pages, and an article by AJ Wilcox about LinkedIn product pages updates, with an interview by a guy that I connected with last year, who's no longer, but was the product marketing manager for LinkedIn product pages, a guy called Ryan McInnes, who was very helpful to me when I was looking at that last year. Shout out to Ryan. Not sure if he watches or listens, but you never know. So that's where the saved posts sit. So just for quick run through that again, if you're on your LinkedIn home feed, you go to your Me drop-down menu, you have to click on View Profile, scroll down to Resources, click on See All 5 Resources, and click on My Items. On My Items, you need to click on Saved Posts, and that's where you'll see the posts you've saved. A shortcut for doing this is also on the left-hand column where it says Louise Brogan, LinkedIn consultant, who's viewed your profile, views of your video. You'll see at the bottom there, it says My Items. So we can click on there, and that takes us straight to the same menu option. Hope you find this useful. Please let me know. My role here is to create helpful content that's going to help you build your business on LinkedIn.